Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is I'm gonna open this box up. I got some goodies from GCRC, which is Game Changer RC. He builds fans for your motors and ESCs and all that. These guys do a live every Friday night now. I believe it's 8 Eastern, I want to say. Maybe a little later. I'm not real sure on that. I'll check. And put that. I'll put that in here somewhere. Okay. So it's IkONz RC. Check out his big shout out to him and MOBAY 876. MOBAY 876 RC. Big shout out to him. And Game Changer RC. You guys are great, man. Big shout out to all three of you guys. Game Changer sent me this. I believe it's got a couple of his fans in here, maybe a motor, and I'm hoping a sticker or two from him. So I did cut the box open. I haven't looked inside, so we're gonna be surprised together. I'll put all their links down below for their YouTube channels. All three of them have YouTube channels. All three of them have Instagram, which I'll put down below. And Game Changer RC has an eBay account that he sells all his motors on. You can actually hit him up on his Instagram account, or you can hit him on eBay and look all of his stuff up, and then contact him through eBay too. It's on eBay, it's GCRC is the best way I've found to look up his stuff. He's got all sorts of fans, fit all your ESCs. They run off 3S LiPo batteries off the ports to balance leads. So, oh yeah, cool. See, there's his plaque. It's just it's not a sticker, it's just a plaque to hang up on your board or put here. We'll probably put it down here somewhere so you can see it every time I do a video now. I mean, this is cool that he sent this stuff out to me. And I appreciate that. He's one of those guys that that helps out the community. You know, if he's got something, you know, they give a giveaway pretty much on almost every live on Fridays. So go there, they give out a t-shirt or a hat, or, you know, it might be like this time it was a motor. And let's see. So in here we got, there we go, cool. Give me some stickers. Game Changer stickers. And then these are just, looks like wire ties. Little Game Changer, I believe these goes on the motor if you want, or anywhere you want. Those are stickers, and here's one of his stickers to put up. I'll put it up on my board. So it gives you some of those zip ties for your wires. Zippy ties is. And here is the motors. Look at this thing. This thing's awesome. So this is the version 1. Okay. And these are different from everybody else's because it's metal fan inside. It's not plastic, so when you get a rock in there, it's not gonna chip. It's not gonna chip the fan. So or dirt or anything, it's not gonna chip the fans out. There's a strong metal motors inside, metal fans. He's got 2 wired up together. Yeah, these are nice. And you got your 2S, actually I'm sorry, 3S balance lead right here that you just plug into your 3S battery. Let me grab a little one real quick. I got this little, I'm actually gonna, might charge that one up today, so plug that in, right? There you go. Pull this off. This is just tape. So he probably knows it's a V1, it's version 1. So it's blowing a lot of air. Yeah, that's that's a lot of air going to your motor or ESC, whatever you want to hook it up to. So that's sweet. That's a sweet one right there. And see, he's got his game changer right here. GC little stickers there. Looks like he might have glued those on or something. So, and I believe you can put. Nah, those are a little too big. I think you might be able to do that, but. So those are the motors. Puts a little inspected sticker on it so he knows that he inspected it and it ran and all that. So he does check his stuff over. And then he also sent me these guys all sent, get rid of this box. This Castle motor, 8-scale monster. It's a 2200 kV. This is nice. Very nice. It's a 1515 2200 kV. Not sure what I'm going to put this in yet. This is a nice motor, guys. Thank you so much, man. You guys rock. So we're gonna figure out what we're gonna put this in. This might be a long time build, or I might just throw it in one of my see if it fits in my Typhon 3S. Turn it into a 6S. We're gonna see. We might play around with it. So this is nice. That's big. And then a cooling system on it. Yeah. So you just have to buy which I might have one already. I might have something that fits on that. I'll have to look. Ooh, yeah, it's tight. It's good. So there you go. Big shout out to those three, man. IkONz RC, MOBAY 876 RC, and Game Changer RC. Game Changer fans right here, guys. Go buy them. They're awesome. I've been looking at them for a while, and I thought they were bigger than this. So which is cool. They're not. For RC Guy Garage and Earl Moorhead and Gap Reviews all use these fans. There's a few others that use these fans. I know IkON got a set of fans that he's putting on. They work real good from what Earl and RC Guy Garage say. So, and they're always on YouTube. You can go check them out too. Big shout out to those two. So, yeah, and same with Jessica. She uses hers too. Big shout out to Jessica for all the stuff that she does in the community too. She's a great, she's just starting out, and she does some great videos with her car that she got too. And she's got some fans with hers. And so, yeah, guys, now I'm just rambling, but I appreciate it, guys. Game Changer RC. Changing the game in RC, right? With these fans. You won't get, your stuff won't get hot anymore. Right? Speed runs, bashing, all of it. They work good too. Now he's got all sorts of ones. He's got water resistant ones. He's got big ones. One big one. They call it the Mammoth, I think it is. You have to look it up, but yeah. He's got skinnier ones too. They're a little shorter, so you can actually put them on. I was looking at those to put on my Typhon because the Typhon body comes down real low. So, you know, you're not going to be able to get much in between the motor and the body. But if you got one of his lower ones, you could put that in between there. So, and they're big and strong fans like this, not like the stock ones on there. So, all right. So there you go, guys. All the links will be below in the description for all 3 channels, Instagram channels, and I'll leave a little eBay for Game Changer RC down there too. Little link or whatever I can find to click on for his eBay site. He's got all sorts of fans on there, and you can do them any way, man. You can put 4, boom, boom. You can do 3. He does, I think, up to 4 across. So if you got a real long motor for like your speed runs, you know, the TP, you can mount them all like that, all the way down the whole motor, you know. So, and they're nice and flat to where you can just either Velcro them right to the body or to the ground, and then, you know, have all 4 of them and just have it blowing straight into the motor. So these things are awesome. They sit flat, you guys. So perfect, man. Appreciate it, guys. Big shout out to you guys. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and go check out their channels and subscribe to them and follow them. Go buy some fans. They'll cool you off. I know it's winter time, but they'll still cool you off. All right, you guys. You have a good one.